My name's Paul, I'm from Drum Runners. I'm here today with the Bath Carnival to show you how to make a drum out of a bicycle wheel. Bicycle wheel with all the spokes taken out using a pair of bolt cutters. Sometimes I used to use an angle grinder, which looked quite colourful. So first of all, you get the bicycle wheel drum like this, and then you get some tape. You can get different coloured parcel tape these days, and all comes in different colours, pinks, greens, blues, reds, oranges, and you can just simply start the drum by putting a piece of tape on the top of the rim, like so. Make sure it's anchored like that, and the fun part is listening to all the sort of stretchy, sort of squeaky tape noises. So you're going to hear that a little bit now. So you stretch it across the first part like that, across the middle. Then you stretch it across the other side, making sure that this bit doesn't get stuck on that side. And then you use some safety scissors, but today I've brought along my safety teeth, and you just snap it off like that to get the first part of the tape on there like that. And then you just basically make a cross, and again round the other side, like so, safety teeth, and then you just keep going. I'll show you this diagonal across here, across there. So I've gone across diagonally like that. It doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to be functional. And again, around the other side until you've made an asterisk. And then you just keep going. Actually doesn't take long to make a drum. I think I've got this down to 7 minutes. So as you can see, there's still some gaps in there. But just out of curiosity, there's still gaps in there, so this drum's incomplete. But it still sounds okay. Once it gets more and more complete, it sounds a lot better than that. But as you can see, it's very lightweight, and we're going to finish this one rather quickly. Once you've gone all the way around the drum, you'll have a bike wheel drum that looks something like this and sounds a bit like this.